Welcome to FX Street. Thank you for coming. And we're going to go over Crypto.com, the CRO token. Before we dive into the technicals, I would love to encourage you to head on over to YouTube and join our channel by hitting that subscribe button. Additionally, you can follow us on crypto at FXS Crypto. Taking a look at CRO or CRO, it's had some really it's had some difficulties up against that 50%. The 50 cent level, which makes sense. That is a very powerful psychological number. It's a very powerful natural number in trading. It just is, makes sense why it's having some difficulty getting above that level. And that's a good thing. If you're a long-term bull, you want to see some type of conviction around that area, a struggle followed by the bulls taking over and moving above it. So from a long-term perspective, if you're a long-term bull, this is the kind of thing you want to see. You want to see a good faith effort to hit that level and then move beyond it. But there's a significant chunk of things halting, from a technical perspective, halting CRO from moving higher. The first is the 100% fib expansion. That is acting as a pretty good source of resistance. And then you've got the top of the cloud, Senkou Span B. Senkou Span B is the most powerful area of support and resistance within the Ichimoku system. It's very difficult to, have it close above or below that. And unless CRO can close above 50 cents over the next, including today by Saturday, that's going to be a much more difficult task to fulfill because Senkou Span B flattens out considerably. And it's flat for quite a while. And, long periods of a flat Senkou Span B really kind of exacerbate the strength of that level. So if you're a bull, you probably want to see this, move above that 50 cent level before Saturday. But as far as support, downside risks, there's a good chunk of support now below it too, especially between 44. We could probably just say, 43.5 to 45 cents. You have a very, very strong support range in there. That's the daily Kijun Sen, bottom of the cloud, 50% fib retracement, the prior 618 expansion, the 2022 volume point of control. Tons of support, very tight range. When you think about it, it's between 45 and 50 cents is a big cluster of resistance above it, big cluster of support below it. Don't be surprised to see it range a little bit more, but there may be an opportunity for bulls to expand beyond the 50 cent level. Right now, there is some hidden bullish divergence present between candlestick chart and the composite index, and that hidden bullish divergence is where the composite index is sitting in a fairly neutral level. And that's one of the things that Connie Brown mentioned in her a book that's really kind of like one of the progenitors of, big expansion moves are when these divergences appear near neutral levels within the composite index. So this could be an early warning sign that a major move and breakout could occur very soon. But before we talk about this one again, probably next week, downside risks are likely limited to 45 cents. And if it does breach 50 cents, then the next level is likely to hit is the 1618 expansion near 58. That does it for me on CRO. Please remember to follow us on our YouTube channel and on Twitter. Thank you for watching. And don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe.